Hello everyone, this is Koder Singh and I create tutorials on React, AWS, Python and many more other technologies. I also offer a one-on-one session. So if you want to book a one-on-one session with me, please feel free to go in the description below and book it using a link. I do provide a 15-minute free session, so don't hesitate to book that one. And I also have some paid sessions as well, so you can book either of them. So without any further delays, let's start with what I'm trying to build over here, the objective and everything. So I'm trying to build a CLI tool, which is built on top of two AI models. I'll talk about the AI models in later. So the goal is to run this command CLI AI. So it's the tool name of the tool. It could be anything. What is the command to change a directory, and this is the argument which we are passing. So the answer should be like cd is the command to change a directory, to change to a directory, and the score, which is like how confident our AI is to answer this question. So it's like 90% confident. So this is the objective, this is the end goal, but right now we're gonna test the question and answering in the Jupyter notebook or a Colab, whatever suits you. I would highly recommend that you use Colab, and I will be giving this the link of the Colab in the description as well. So let's come to the Hugging Face. What actually is Hugging Face? The Hugging Face, the AI community building the future. So it's a very big community of AI developers or machine learning enthusiasts who post their models and data sets and other things online, research papers and all those things which are online. And it's a pretty good community of different developers. So from Hugging Face, we would be using two models. The first one is Sentence Transformers, all mini LM, L6 version 2. So V2. It is a sentence similarity model. What that means is if you give a sentence as an input and a couple of other sentences as a second input, then it will tell you which of the other sentences which you passed makes more sense with the first sentence which you input. And the second model is question answering model. So it's like as you can see over here, where do I live? So you will be passing two things, a question and a context. So where do I live? So my name is Sarah and I live in London. So let's suppose you give in like my name is Coder and I live in America. So it should give like the answer like America. So let's give it a spin and see. Yeah, so America is the answer. So we would be using these two models. So without any further ado, let's begin it. So this is a dependency which you need to install, which is sentence transformers. So you will do pip install -u sentence transformers and it will install dependency over here. And now we'll start coding. So we will do from sentence transformers. We will import sentence transformers. It might take some time to actually load it, and okay, it's without an NS. Let's get the util as well from here. So yeah, it worked amazing, and now we'll get the model sentence transformer. The name of the model is sentence. We'll copy it from here so we don't have to worry about a typo, and we will load the model. So it's going to download the model for us. Amazing. And once it's downloaded, we can start with our question and the answer. So question is, what is the command to change directory. So this is our question. Amazing. And answers, it's a list of answers. What is the list of answers which could be? So I'm pasting a couple of answers and over here, which I've written before, and I'm gonna run. So before passing it to the model, what we need to do is we need to do model and encode. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna encode the question. We will do model.encode. So encoding is passed is a part of the NLP process. So ANS encode is equals to model.encode ANS. So amazing. Let's run it and now get the scores. After both the things are encoded, now we can get the scores. Util.score for our question encoded and answer encoded. We'll get the first one .cpu and to list. So now we have got our scores, which is great. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna zip it together. So doc, so answer score pair, it is going to be zip list zip and the first thing is going to be the answers and then the scores. And now we will sort the scores. So sort this list by scores. So what we're going to do, we're going to write sorted and we're going to pass our list and we will have key is equals to lambda x colon x1 reverse is equals to true. Yeah, so now we have the scores and what we're going to do now, we're going to print it. So for ANS to be answer score in ANS score pair, we will print ANS answer and score. So yeah, so our question was, what is the, okay, there's a typo there, what is the command to change directory? So the first thing comes using cd command, you can change directory. So now we are getting the sentence with the highest score at the top, which is amazing. Now we need to find that cd, we need an AI to extract that the keyword is cd, so that user knows like this is the only keyword and I'm going to use this, which is amazing. So let's go to the second part of using the second model. So what we're going to do, we're going to do from transformers, it's a different library now. From transformers import pipeline and we will have BERT. So we are using BERT model, BERT for question and answering and auto tokenizing as well. It's coming from transformers. I'm just going to copy paste it over here real quick and we're going to start working on it. So libraries are imported. Now we're going to write a model name, which is the second model name. And I'm just going to copy paste it real quick. So actually this is the model name, deep set but base case squad 2. Cool name. So we'll just write the model name. So I will add the link in the description for this model. The model which I showed you before was not the right one. This is the right one. So yeah, so we have the model name. Now we'll get the model 2 is equals to what question answering from pre-trained. Amazing. Model name is coming over here, and we will use tokenizer, auto tokenizer from pre-trained model name. Amazing. And we will build the pipe, NLP pipeline, which is going to be pipeline, and then we'll specify what's the name of the pipeline, Q&A, and which model we are using. We are using model 2, and then what tokenizer we are using. So tokenizer, okay, it's not giving an autocomplete. So tokenizer is equals to this tokenizer over here. So let's see if it's download the model or not. In your case, it might download the model. Unknown task Q&A. So I might have to write entire thing. QUSTIONANS question dash answering. So I think so. Yeah, that might be the keyword for the pipeline. Amazing. So now we have the NLP pipeline. What are we going to do? We're going to do NLP pipeline, and now we will pass a dictionary of question, which is a QUES, and content, which is over here. So I'm just going to copy paste it over here real quick. So context, my bad. So are you guys ready to see the output? Because it might, like, the first time when I saw the output, I was like wow, like this is really amazing and I need to create a video on it. So the answer is like CD, and the score is 0.84, which is like 84%. It is confident. So this is amazing, and we will build it end to end. And so let's build it end to end over here real quick. And to get the right context, what we will do context is equals to doc ANS answers score pair. We will get the first one and the score, and actually it's sentence. So the first one is the sentence. So let's do it like this, context, and let's take these two at the top so that we can easily run our models without importing them again and again. So yeah, so we have these 4 lines over here, which are just importing libraries and running downloading the model. Now let's change our question and see end to end how it works. What is the command to change the directory? What is the command to actually, let's suppose, to remove our directory? So let's run this, and oops, something went wrong. So model encode, and we will have, let me run this again one more time. It might be a problem over there. Yeah, so yeah, you guys might not face this problem because I ran into a few issues and I cut that video part. So yeah, so let's run it end to end. Our question is updated. What is the command to remove a directory? And we are running, and we will just see the output. rm-r is used to delete the directory, which is amazing. Let me just try, because I just created mkdir coder and rm-r coder. So yeah, amazing. And I didn't know that we can use that. So So amazing. Our actually output is great. So now the second video would be around like how you can actually um, build a CLI tool and you can use it very easily. So stay tuned for that. Write in the comments how do you like this video, and if you want more videos or use cases using AI like this, please feel free to comment, or any video suggestions, please feel free to give me video suggestions as well. I do have Discord channel, so you can like just add into the Discord and we can connect over there. Thank you so much guys for watching this tutorial, and I really appreciate your time.